Hello, user testing community. It is Mike McDowell once again from the Solutions Consulting team here at User Testing, back with another tip of the week. Now, it's not going to surprise you guys if you watch my tips of the week that I'm here to tell you about a feature that just got better. Now, what feature am I talking about? It's probably something that some of you have used sometimes, some of you have used a lot of the times, but all the time you're thinking, I really wish this was integrated into the user testing platform all the way, not in a subdomain. I'm talking about card sorting. So if you aren't aware, if you haven't seen it, if you haven't used it, the card sorting, the closed card sorting is part of our first beta integration right into the user testing platform. And so I'm going to show you today a little bit about how that works, what it looks like, and how you can start taking advantage of it right now before everything else gets migrated over and in. So real quick, you can see over here on the screen, I've got our knowledge base article, which I sometimes show you guys, with the analyzing the test results. And what is going on? I am shrunk. So there we go. I was off screen there for a second, but I'm back. All right, so you can see the card sorting test results here. You've got right down here, it shows you viewing card sort results on the UT platform. And you can start seeing here, it says the little beta there, but you can start seeing the results here, what it looks like. Now that doesn't really tell you much. Down below, you can see all the subdomain results like you're used to. But I'm going to come over here. I'm going to go into the platform. I'm in the test creation window. So when I'm creating a test, as you know, you would come down here, scroll down to where you're going to put your tasks in, and you had card sort and tree test. But now you see it says classic card sort, which is the card sort in the subdomain, and then the closed card sort beta, which if I click on that, you're going to see basically very simple interface. Type in your cards, type in your categories. Hit enter when you're done with the first card, card one, enter. All of a sudden, you don't have to say add card, you just automatically add another card. Category, cat1, hit enter. You can add a second category. And you put your instruction text here, and that's it. You can add any other text. You want to put a variable response question before the card sort. You want to put them on rating scale after the card sort. You just build it all in, just like a normal test plan. And when you're done, you go over and look at your results, and here you can see integrated directly into the metrics tab. There was the card sort, my rating scales, all these sorts of things. Very, very straightforward. It's gotten very simple. Start taking advantage of this closed card sort beta. It's there for you to give us feedback on how you like it, how you like the integration. Remember, it's just the beta, it's just the closed card sort for now, but the rest is coming. I can't say exactly when. I know when, I think. Maybe it's coming soon, but I don't want to, safe harbor statements, etc. I don't want to, say something doesn't come true and it's recorded in video, but it's coming soon, very soon. So get your feedback in on the closed card sort beta. You can have the results right here on the screen. Any sharing issues you might have had in the past, done and gone. So that's going to be it for me this week with the closed card sort beta. I want to see you guys using it and running it. Don't worry, I will be back again in 7 days as always with another user testing tip of the week.